tutorial, we discuss continue statement in C programming. The continue statement in C programming works somewhat like the break statement. Instead of forcing the termination, it forces the next iteration of the loop to take place, skipping any code in between. Okay, and here I am using the code block as a IDE, and simply I click on the file and then new, and then click on the project and select the console application from the template, and click on the go and simply select the C language from here, and then click on the next, and giving here the my project title as a continue demo, CONTINUE, continue demo. Okay, and then click on the next and then finish. Okay, my project displayed here, and simply I explore the sources and then click on the main.c. This code is automatically generated by the code block, and simply I delete this message and write here this program demonstrate the continue statement in C. Okay, and simply I declare a variable I, and then for loop, and giving here the for equals to I, and then I less than equal to 10, and then I plus plus, and semicolon. Okay, and simply opening and closing brace, giving here the condition I equals to 5, then continue, and simply I write here the printf, and then /n %t comma I, and then semicolon. Simply I write here the printf /n by, and then semicolon, and I simply save it, and you simply look here. This is the printf function to print. This program demonstrates the continue statement in C onto the screen, and this function is terminated with a semicolon, and here I am declaring a I variable, and in the next line I am using the for loop, and simply I assign the I as a 1 and then semicolon, and giving here the condition I less than equals to 10, means the loop continue until the value of I is less than equals to 10, and then semicolon, and the value of I is incremented by 1, and then loop start and loop end here. Within the loop body I simply giving here the condition if the value of I is equals to 5, then within the if I write here the continue, and after that I simply using the printf function to print the value of I. So I start I demonstrate this from the for loop, and okay, step by step, and simply in the first step the value of I is initialized as a 1, and control check the condition, and the condition is true because the value of I is 1, and this value is less than equals to 10. Control come into the body part, and simply the value of I is 1 not equals to 5, so the control come here this printf function and print the value of I onto the screen, and the value of I is 1 onto the simply screen, and control again come here and increment the value of I as a 1, and in this time the value of I is 2. Check the condition is true, and loop again come here and check the if condition, and in this time the value of I is 2, and it is not equals to 5, so condition is false. Control again come here, and in this time print the value of I is 2 onto the screen. Control again come here and increment the value of I as a 1. In this time the value of I is 3. Check the condition is true. Control again come here, and in this time the value of I is 3 not equals to 5, so condition is false. Again control come here and print the value of I 3 onto the screen. Control again come here and increment the value of I as a 1. In this time the value of I is 4, and control check the condition, and the value of 4 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. Control again come into the body part and check the if condition, and in this time the value of I is 4, and the value of I 4 is not equals to 4. So control again come here and print the value of I as a 4 onto the screen. Control again come here and increment the value of I as a 1. In this time the value of I is 5, and check the condition. Condition is true. Control again come into the body part, and in this time the value of I is 5, and it is equals to 5. So control come inside the if, body of the if, and continue the statement, and skip this printf function to print the value of I onto the screen, and simply again control come here, and in this time the value of I is 6, and check the condition, and then again control come into the body part and check the condition of if, and the value of I is 6, that is not equals to 5. So control again come here and print the value of I as a 6 onto the screen. Control again come here, increment the value of I as a 1, and in this time the value of I is 7. Condition is true. Again check the condition of if. Condition is false. Control again come here and print the 7 onto the screen. Control again come here, increment the value of I as a 1. In this time the value of I is a 8, and check the condition. Condition is true. Again check the if condition. Condition is false, and again come here and print the value of I onto the screen as a 8, and again control come 9 and check the condition. Check this condition. Condition is false, and printf function simply print the 9 onto the screen, and then again control come here, and in this time the value of I incremented by 1, and value of I is 10, and condition is true. Again control come here, this condition is false. Again control come here and print the value of I as a 10. Again control come here and increment the value of I as a 1. In this time the value of I is 11, and condition is false. So loop is terminated, and control directly come here and print the BAM message onto the screen, and simply I save it and run it, and okay, and you look here, this printf function print the value of I is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and skip the 5, because I am giving here the condition that if the value of I is equals to 5, then the control come into the body part and continue, means skip this part and control come here and then again continue the loop. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video, and please comment on my video, and thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.